Can chair yoga help you lose belly fat? Let's break it down. The fact of the matter is that you can't out-train a bad diet. That being said, here are 3 ways that chair yoga can help you reach your fitness goals. Number 1, core activation galore. Chair yoga isn't just sitting pretty, it's engaging your core muscles subtly yet effectively. Those gentle twists and ab exercises help to tighten and tone your belly muscles. Number 2, Zen mode activated. Chair yoga isn't just about poses, it's a full-on relaxation party. Deep breathing and gentle stretches kick cortisol, aka the stress hormone, to the curb, which means less belly fat hanging around. Number 3, and most importantly, mindfulness over munchies. Chair yoga teaches you to tune into your body, making you mindful of eating habits. By fostering a stronger mind-body connection, you'll make healthier choices and say goodbye to those midnight snack attacks. So while chair yoga isn't a magic weight loss potion, when paired with mindful eating and healthy self-love, it's a recipe for success. So go ahead, grab your chair, and let's start this abtastic routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a knee tuck variation, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to the seat of your chair. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center, exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding a knee raise, inhale at center, exhale gently twist as you bring opposite elbow to knee. Inhale center, exhale repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your spine long, moving through your own range of motion, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, quadriceps, and obliques. For more of a challenge, adding a leg extension as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center while stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Continue here or adding a toe touch. Reach opposite hand to leg. As you continue sitting tall, keeping your navel back towards your spine, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center. Moving into another cat-cow stretch variation. Reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers, rotating your palms away. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back. And with each exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Pausing at the top, inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Exploring another core strengthening move, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, lightly lifting through your lower belly, using your core to stabilize. With your legs straight and strong, alternate lifting up, out to the side, and back to center, moving from right to left. Continue flowing at your own pace, strengthening and toning through your inner thighs, quadriceps, hip flexors, and core. Stay connected to your breath as you release and step your feet back to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Begin to lift and lower through your right leg, contracting your leg muscles at the top of the movement, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, release your clasp and place your hands over your belly as you continue sitting tall, keeping your core engaged, lifting and lowering through your right leg. Continue here or reach your arms overhead, keeping your shoulders relaxed and your spine long, using your core to stabilize as you continue to lift and lower through your right leg. Release and repeat this core strengthening movement on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Begin to lift and lower through your left leg, keeping your core engaged, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles at the top of the movement. For more of a challenge, release your clasp and place your hands over your belly as you continue moving slow and controlled, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Optional to reach your arms overhead as you continue to lift and lower through your left leg, resting when you need to, moving through your own range of motion. Release and return to center, moving into a side bend variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Transitioning into a lateral stretch variation. Inhale at the top. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your side body. Adding a twist, pausing at the top, arms reach overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently twisting from right to left. With each inhale, arms reach overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, gently twist, maintaining your hips facing forward, moving from your waist, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Continue cultivating awareness as you release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. I'd love to know which one of these ab exercises was your favorite. Let me know in the comments below, and remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.